Have you ever wondered how IPL teams use data to make decisions or how we can turn raw data into meaningful insights? In this video, I will walk you through our complete IPL data analysis project using Databricks Lakehouse architecture. Each of us contributed to different parts like data engineering, analysis, and visualization. For this project, we used IPL datasets that contain match-level data, ball-by-ball deliveries, player performance statistics. These datasets are typically available in CSV format and contain large volumes of structured and semi-structured data. The main challenge we faced were huge volume of IPL data, data inconsistency, and missing values, difficulty in real-time analysis, lack of scalable systems for processing. To overcome these, we implemented a lakehouse-based data pipeline. For building this project, we used Databricks for data processing and analytics, Apache Spark for large-scale data transformations, Delta Lake for reliable data storage, and PySpark for coding and transformations. Now let's start with data ingestion. Data loading. We are loading raw IPL datasets into Databricks for processing. We followed a 3-layer lakehouse architecture. The first one is bronze layer, where it stores raw data as it is. No major transformations. Maintains original data for reliability. Next is silver layer. Data cleaning and pre-processing, handling missing values, structuring and joining datasets. And the last one is gold layer. Performing analysis, creating aggregated metrics, generating insights and visualizations. This layered approach ensures data quality and scalability.
So in this project, we have used Mendelian architecture, which generally consists of 3 layers. First one is the bronze layer. It consists of the raw data, and in our project, the bronze layer is the data ingestion layer. Here, we collected the IPL data directly from various source files with CSV, applying major transformations. The goal is to preserve the original data exactly as it is. So this ensures the easy reprocessing and a reliable source of the truth. And we have 4 steps in the bronze layer. First, we load the raw data from the source and we apply basic formatting like headers and schema, and we add the metadata and store the data as delta tables. The second layer is silver layer. In silver layer, we clean and transform the data. In this stage, we remove the missing and the incorrect values, we standardize the formats, and we join various datasets to create meaningful structure. This layer converts the raw data into usable and structured data for analysis. And the steps in the silver layer is, first we read the data from the bronze layer, we handle the missing values, and we convert the data types, we filter the incorrect records, and then we save the cleaned data. The last and final layer is gold layer. It consists of various business insights. Like the gold layer, it is the final layer where we generate business insights and analytics. Here we apply aggregations and calculations to answer the key questions like who are the top players and the impact of the toss on the match and which venues are high scoring and which venues are low scoring. And the output of this layer, it is used for the dashboards and to prepare various reports and make decisions like which option to choose after winning the toss. And the steps in the gold layer are, first we read the data from the silver layer, we apply various aggregations, we calculate various metrics, we generate the insights, and we finally store the data into the tables, which are then used for the reporting.
Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh. In this project, I have worked on gold layer, and I have created some key insights. One is the match winning pattern. Here we analyzed whether the team performed better while chasing or defending. We found clear patterns. In many cases, chasing teams have an advantage depending on the conditions, as you can see the graph behind. And we also worked on top performing players. We usually identified that top players based on using top runs and wickets taken by the bowlers. And we have a strike rate graph also. This helped us most consistent performance across seasons. And third one is the toss impact. We analyzed how winning the toss affects match outcomes. In many cases, teams have the impact like when you win the toss, they have a strategic advantage, like they can choose batting or bowling based on the pitch conditions. Then the fourth insight is the high scoring venues. We studied stadium-wise performance and identified that grounds where scores are generally higher, and that is very useful for predicting match outcomes, and we can change the match outcome also using these venues. We can also predict by choosing the venues, we can say whether the team wins. We generally do data analysis to analyze something particular issue. So my keen interest on IPL has got me this project. So the further can be explained by my teammate.
This project demonstrates scalable big data processing, efficient analytics pipeline, real-world application of data engineering. These insights can help teams, analysts, and broadcasters make better decisions. To conclude, IPL data has a huge potential using platforms like Databricks. We can convert raw data into actionable insights. This project highlights how modern data tools can transform sport analytics.
By this, we are ending our video. Thank you for watching.